Hello everyone, let's start with the HTML file and we'll give it a boilerplate code. The title will be yin and yang, and we'll create the container. The container will have the two sides, the yin and the yang. We'll save this and create a CSS file so we can style it as we go. We'll have to include it in our HTML file first. We'll say link and we'll go live, and we can see the change as we save our code. First, the body will make it a display flex, and we'll align everything to the center, horizontally and vertically. We'll give it a minimum height because it will just shrink to the size of its content if we don't give it a height. Then we'll continue to the container. We'll give it a height and a width of equal units, so it will become a circle once we give it a border radius. We'll give it a display flex, so the items could be next to each other. Start with the background color of the yin, be white, and the width will be half of the width of the container, because the yin and the yang are half of the whole. That's how they create the balance. We'll give it a border to see, yes, it's working. We'll also give the styles for the yang. We'll give it a background color of black. We'll save this. And we'll make it into a circle. We'll give the container a border radius of 25.048, which is half of the width and the height, which will make it a circle, and we'll hide the overflow. When we save it, we'll see that it's a circle. To see the yin more, we'll give the body a background color of wheat. Now we'll add the curves, because we cannot curve to the inside. We'll have to add another div to make it look like it's curving inside. We'll call it yin yin and yang in. the will give the in selector a height of 25 and a width of 25 edge, so it can be circle. Now we can't see it yet. We have to make it a circle. We'll give it a border radius of 14 viewport 8, which is half of the width and the height. We'll make the position of the yin and relative, or we can make it for both the yin and yang yin. The top does not have to move anywhere. We'll just see what changes we'll see. Now this looks like a moon. Let's see what's causing this problem. We can inspect this. And we found out that because the yang in is covering the yin in. So we'll have to lower the yang in. And move it to the left a little. And we'll have to move half the height. So now we see that it's almost done. We'll have to add 2 more dots. For the yin, we'll have another dot of yang, and for the yang, we'll have yin. And we'll select the yang inside the yin and give it a height of 10 viewport 8. We can add another selector to target both at the same time. We'll call them dots. Yin dot and we'll give it a width of 10 viewport 8. And a border radius to make it a circle. We'll call this inner. It will be easier to target both of them. We can always see the problems by inspecting. The dot is not in the center. Also, the inner is not sized correctly. So the problem was the selector. Now it's correct, and we'll align all the items to the center by making it display flex. Okay, now it's almost done. It's just that the dots are a lot smaller. I'll make them a little bit bigger. All that code was redundant. We can have just an inner to set the height and width. And now we're done. We can also add animations. Start by saying keyframes. We'll transform it and rotate it 360 degrees. We'll add this keyframe to our container. That was the number of iterations. We can increase the by iteration count.